won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. We're going to disconnect the battery and then we can start taking the steering wheel off, the airbags, wiring in our starter switch and trying to stop that alarm system keep leaking all the time. So that's our next job. So this airbag won't fit in there anymore, so what we need to do is make a template out of card of this actual part. So what we'll do is lay that down on there and mark it out in card, and then that way we can cut that out, cover it in some Alcantara, and then that can cover the hole again. Okay, so we've cut that bit out, that's the template, so we're just going to marry that up with the hole in the dash. Yeah, that once it's covered and glued in, that looks quite good. So we'll do that in red Alcantara, just to split it up a bit, make it look a bit. Okay, so that's done now. So we can glue that into place, cover up the hole where the airbag is. That's where that's going, so we'll stick that into place. What we've done is we've taken the airbag out and put this clip in, so it'll still recognise that there's an airbag, so it won't give any errors up on the dash. Okay, so that's glued and stuck on, so now I've just got to wait for that to dry. Next job is to mark up where the dash will need to be cut to. So what I'm thinking is, because this dash is quite stuck in here and I don't really know how to remove it, what I'll do is I'll lay some paper down, mark out the rough shape of this and then stick it down, because really we only need to do this bit here, over there and across there, and probably up to here. So we've probably got enough to maybe trim, sew and make it fit. So we'll give that a go next, marking up the Torah, and I ain't got much red, so I'm going on to blue now. It's going to be a bit of a multicoloured car, but still. I'm just laying out the blue now, gluing it and then cutting it as I go, and it's coming out better that way. So I'll just carry on the way I'm doing that now. Hopefully another half an hour should be done. Okay, so that's the dash done as best I can. Really, under the circumstances, not brilliant, but it's not too bad. Next job is just to clean up around where the glue's oversprayed, and then that looks alright actually. I'm not too fussed about that, it's looking good. Hopefully once we've cleaned it up with a bit of white spirit, it'll look a lot better. So next job is to sort the steering. Okay, so I've stripped the old clock spring to take those wires off. I've put the new boss on, and now we're going to put the steering wheel onto its place on there. That's the next job. Okay, so I've tightened up the steering wheel. Quite a small wheel, but it's quite good though. Unlocked from there, but we're up to have to take out the lock. But yeah, works. That's the trick. So next job is to look at wiring the starter switch here, and then a cut-off switch on the outside, because I can flick it from here to cut off, and then any of the marshals can cut off out there. This week what I've done is I've put some suede leather on there, or Alcantara. It's not the best job, but not really bothered, to be honest. It looks shit, but I'll sort of tidy that up at some point. Done the bit down there, looks quite good. I've wired in my start-stop button, which all works. So you flip the switch there, press start, flip the switch, it comes off, so that's quite good. Now no longer needs a key, but you do have obviously the alarm for the doors, and that does central lock it. Put some little rally badges on the seats. The steering wheel's now attached, just got a sort of horn out on there. And the job I'm doing now is to remove the wheel from underneath the car, because that's added a weight. Might even, but I mean, obviously I'm going to have the trailer, so spares will be on there. But yeah, this is going to be undoing the rear spare wheel. Okay, so the next job is going to be mounting one of these pods, but what I've decided is, instead of trying to fit that on there, because it would mean cutting all this lot off, what I'm going to do is a template from that, because I've only got 2 dials, oil and water temp. So what we'll do is we'll do a copy of this with card, and then mark that into there, and then our pods will sit either side there. Look quite nice. So far today we've managed to take the rear wheel out from underneath. There's a little bit of rust we've got to weld underneath as well. We've got the switch working now, so the light comes on, press the start button and it starts up, and then turn off to kill it. Then we've just got the alarm that locks the doors, so it's pretty good so far. So next job is obviously to have a go at these pods, and then I don't know what I'm going to do then.